In this video, I will show you the 7 best ways drones are changing the future. What's up guys, I am Sandeep and you are watching Tuvil. The term drone simply refers to an unmanned aerial vehicle or machine. Considering this definition, the earliest man-made unmanned aerial vehicle was hot air balloon used for bombardment in 1839. The first modern state-of-the-art drone was made in 1916 by Great Britain based on Tesla's design. Drone technology development increased after World War I, and drones subsequently became much smaller and more efficient. While they are initially developed for war purposes, today drones are not just serving the armed forces but also helping multiple industries in areas such as surveillance, tracking, other security purposes. They are doing important work in relatively little time, things that human weeks and months to take to do, and making our life much safer and better. Agriculture. Drone technology is phenomenal innovation that continues to have far-reaching effects across today's society, transforming our lives and on the way we do business. Drones are transforming how agriculture and farming are done. The agricultural industry seems to have embraced drone technology with open arms, using these advanced tools to transform modern farming. In recent years, the cost of agriculture drones has rapidly declined, which has not led to the explosion of the drones used in the cases in agriculture but has made it no-brainer investment for modern farmers. Weather forecasting. Having a storm drone flying through the different parts of the atmosphere gathering data will enable the meteorologist to predict weather conditions for coming days or weeks. This is very important, especially in the areas where frequent violent storms occur. Using drones allows scientists to trap into all the low latitude area, finally making the weather prediction a very easy expertise, especially when integrated with the deep learning AI systems. It is expected that scientists will develop tiny sensors with the ability to fly as a network through the air and into the storm. The sensors can direct it to fly in different areas, thus detecting micro accurate weather. Transportation. Air taxis are currently among the most intensely discussed emerging technology, likely to expand mobility into the third dimension of low-level airspace. It may sound futuristic, but it is happening today. Urban air mobility is the aviation industry term for on-demand and automated passenger transportation, typically without a pilot. On the technology side, batteries will have to get better to be able to handle the flexible operation in all the kinds of weather and have energy reserve. This will take a little longer than packages due to gaps in the infrastructure, technology and regulation, but the road in the sky is being paved to make it possible. Construction. Drones can assist with the pre-construction site review like aerial surveying and mapping, measurements of the depths and material stockpiles. Drones provide a bird's eye view of the expansive products site that is not ascertainable from the ground. Drone software systems can provide convenient and time-saving desktop or the mobile devices access to job site conditions and help to facilitate the rapid assessment and response to the developments in the field. In addition to GPS and the high-resolution cameras, drones can be equipped with the advanced technologies such as LiDAR or the thermal moisture or the gas sensors. In short, drones have the potential to improve efficiency and safety of the construction projects and will be used with increasing frequency in the connection with the design and construction of the projects. Film and TV. Drones are not new in cinema. Over the time, their technology has evolved. Now drones allow for different shots of the actors and scenes up close from various perspectives. Filmmakers use drones for a variety of shots, including close-ups that track out a film entire scene without a cut. It has led to improved cinematic experience where a shot spans out like a full narrative. However, mastering these devices to create the desired sequences, it's potentially changing the environments require a significant amount of time and practice. This is not as easy as it looks. There are a number of permissions to acquire before starting filming. Defense and warfare. Defense is the mother of drone technology, as it first grew and prospered in the hands of the armed forces. They also wanted to discreetly keep an eye on their enemies' posts and disposed. Critical missions that previously used aircrafts and manpower can now be done remotely by the drones. The benefits are huge. Not only does it save million-dollar aircraft, but it also saves the lives of the soldiers and gets work done with a greater accuracy and efficiency. Delivery. As technology continues to grow and play a larger role in the consumers' lives, industries has transformed and adapted as well as companies have moved away from brick and mortar to predominantly online services. As a result, internet access. In this shift, online companies reduce overhead costs including the rent and wages associated with operating a physical store. Recently, Amazon has challenged with the Amazon Prime Air, which is drone delivery system that anticipates the package's deliveries in 30 minutes or less. The program has not been executed as yet but is currently in development. The Prime Air has great potential to enhance the services of Amazon, providing to millions of the customers rapid parcel delivery that will also increase the overall safety and efficiency of the transportation system. The implications clearly have a positive impact on the businesses and consumers. Consumers directly benefit from the job creation, resulting in additional earnings. Commercial drones will also allow industries to realize savings from the cost-effective means of the inventory, transportation, and distribution. This cost saving can be passed down to the consumer through a reduction in prices. Soon we will see drones hovering over us to contribute to our work. Drones are an extremely valuable invention and their potential uses cases suggest that they will revolutionize our lives with a whole new era of technology. If you really enjoyed this video, make sure to subscribe to my YouTube channel right now. Just click the button below.